morning. So it is like 5, not even 5:30 in the morning. We are on our way to the airport. We are hoping to get to Vietnam. Why do I say hoping? Because we still don't necessarily have everything we need. We've been on a 3-day holding pattern in Hong Kong. So they said we need passport photos, but they told us like at 7 p.m. last night. So we couldn't get any. I have found 3 passport photos in my passport holder. They're all different. So I don't know if they will accept these. These are horrible. Don't even look at them. But you know, I'm like, there's no way they're gonna deport us because we don't have passport photos. That doesn't even make sense. So we'll be fine. It'll be fine. We got past check-in. Will they let us into Vietnam? Who knows? But we will be in Vietnam. They can't deny it. So we have finally made it to Hanoi. We were supposed to be here 4 days. We now have exactly 24 hours in Hanoi. I have no idea what we're doing. Planning to do a cooking class at 6:30, but that's all I got. So let's see how this 24 hours unfolds. Step number 1 was getting my nails done, and I often draw the picture of what I want the design to be. So we're gonna see what it looks like, but I trust them. They are professional, but that's the design. So let's see what happens. Ooh. Very good nail. All right, so I'm on my second banh mi because I was starving. The pork one was delicious. This one is chicken. So if you don't know the history of banh mi in Vietnam, the French colonized Vietnam. So you have the traditional French baguette, which is pressed on a little, y'all see what this kitchen looks like. We'll show you that clip later. So it's pressed like a little panini. You have cilantro, you have lettuce, carrots, onion, deliciousness. So if you are in Vietnam, a banh mi is essential. Girl, I know this one piece of mango was not $5,000. That's okay though. She just robbed me, but this is so good. Hanoi is definitely best explored on foot. This is Hoan Kiem Lake, which was a few minutes walk from our hotel. I saw this cute art gallery, so we popped in and I was able to pick up a new piece of art from a local artist from my collection. Okay, so we are on the way to our cooking class. I'm so excited because this is going to be for the cookbook, so let's go. So we are in the market on a group cooking tour. So we're starting by exploring the market and getting all of the ingredients that we need. One of the coolest things that I just learned is that they basically never eat meat that's more than 48 hours old, which is so amazing.
Just only one word, but in we here, yeah, I can say we got more than one. So let's see, we got 2 bottles, 2 plastic bags over here. And which one for the noodle soup and which is for the grilled pork noodle? What do you think?
This is for pho.
That is for pho. All right, my Australian that's pho. What do you think?
I feel wrong now.
All right. How about you guys? My Dutch. Yeah. That is pho. That is food. Yeah. And that is pho.
Okay, well.
All right.
So, I might not be an expert in Vietnamese food.
Okay, we're gonna be an expert in the next few hours.
Okay.
We're gonna finish this.
We are here in Hanoi at Apron Up Cooking School, and we're about to make beef pho, which, as you know, is one of the most iconic Vietnamese dishes. So let's hit it. Our instructor V was so amazing. We got to not only cook pho, but we cooked bánh cha, which is the barbecue pork noodle, fried spring roll, papaya salad, and the traditional Hanoi egg coffee. Got to meet some other tourists and worked in partnership with them, which was a lot of fun. I learned so much, and I really cannot recommend it enough. If you're in Hanoi, definitely do Apron Up cooking class.
So when the color on change, you want to take them out. And in fact,
Okay.
it's going to be tender.
Everything is so good. It feels like there's probably 45 ingredients here. Everything is full of flavor. Got herbs, spices. This is such a cute city. Of course, we had to get out to explore Hanoi at night, met up with Cameron, who lives in Hanoi and was our guide. We went to a couple of bars and got to just catch up and have some good conversation over some delicious cocktails. Last 30 minutes in Hanoi before we have to get our car to the airport. And where are we? Standing in line for another bánh mì. Hanoi, you are so cute. I will definitely be back. And next time, hopefully I can spend more than 24 hours there.